Our question for the week. I have more than $1 million and want to buy a property in the US. Is it true that I can get a green card based on that investment? The answer, unfortunately, is no. This is a huge misconception that I encounter all the time, even at real estate conferences and at legal presentations. If this were true, there would probably be more than 1 billion people living in the United States. Simply buying a property, whether for personal use, as a pied-à-terre, as a pure investment to sit on, or to rent and to make income, does not enable someone to get a green card. Any investment-based visa application must involve the creation of permanent full-time jobs. If someone has $1 million to invest, they can invest in any EB-5 project via a regional center or through direct investment, which will create at least 10 full-time jobs within the 2 years that they get with their conditional green card. And it is important to emphasize that the investment is not tied in any way to the purchase of a personal property. So these two elements don't generally mix. Now, if someone has $1 million to buy a property and wants a green card, they simply have to invest an additional $500,000 into any EB-5 project that is in the targeted employment area. If you want more details about EB-5 targeted employment areas, we have other videos that you can watch about that. But it's very important to understand that only in very, very limited circumstances does someone invest in a property and then they're able to use that specific property for the purposes of a green card. That only happens in mixed use situations where someone is buying a commercial property, which in turn has a business within it that creates those 10 or more full-time permanent jobs, and that might also include a personal area, a property, an apartment within that structure for the person to live in. But if it's just a pure investment, pure property purchase that does not lead to the creation of 10 full-time permanent jobs, then an investment does not meet the requirements for EB-5 and a green card is not possible. If you see promises of green cards based on pure investment in residential real estate purchases, they are probably a scam and you may be taking a huge risk. If your dream is to have a green card and to live in the US, talk to specialists who might be able to come up with the best strategy for you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send us your questions via the contact page of our website, www.smalawyers.com. Thanks for watching.